Modern-day earbuds come in varying shapes and sizes and offer different corresponding performances alongside varying price tags. Some of these are targeted towards pure audiophiles who won't settle for anything less than the best-in-class audio quality and noise cancellation, while others might prefer a comparatively affordable option. The G Fit from Logitech targets gamers who prefer a comparatively affordable price tag alongside some nifty little features you'll only get from Logitech. What kind? Well, we're here to find out. The Logitech G Fit in itself carries the pair of earbuds, a charging case, a USB cable, and a dongle that'll provide you with Logitech's signature Lightspeed connection it's famous for. Alternatively, they can also connect through Bluetooth, but with the existence of Lightspeed, we highly doubt if anyone would go for that. For the design, you can get yours on either a black or white variant featuring a thin, oval-like capsule not so different than a pill. Being pretty sleek for a pair of earbuds, they are pretty easy to store and take out of the charging case, which should be a selling point in itself since it's incredibly intuitive. However, from history, we can say that gaming-oriented earbuds usually don't have a lot of value in the audio department, rendering them pretty mediocre to enjoy music. Logitech surprisingly breaks the stigma by making full use of the custom 10mm drivers to provide sound that's crisp and filled to the brim with details, no matter if you're enjoying music, games, or movies. However, do note that these buds don't come with surround sound, so we wouldn't go expecting a lot. Since these buds are targeting gamers and with communication being a key factor, the G Fits come with two beamforming microphones, making it a relatively Discord-friendly earbud that your party would love to listen to. From the reputation Logitech has made over the years, the quality is unquestionable, and with the G Fits, it's not any different. If you're familiar with Logitech's mouse and keyboard, you remember how well they perform. Now put that in a pair of earbuds and you can see why we love it so much. This is not only for PC users though, but you can use this with your Mac, PlayStation, Android, Switch, whatever you prefer without the risk of unwanted and unnecessary dropouts. However, the buds do come with Bluetooth connectivity that includes a dedicated game mode at the cost of some extra battery life. Speaking of, you can easily expect the buds to last for about 7 hours when connected via Lightspeed or 10 hours when using Bluetooth. The case will provide an additional 8 hours or 12 hours depending on your usage of Lightspeed and Bluetooth respectively. However, saving the best feature for last, the Logitech G Fits is called Fits for a reason. The way it stands out and could be a potential revolution is because of Logitech's Lightform technology. What this does is it finally makes use of RGB lighting by using its generated heat to mold the gel to the counter of the user's ears. The whole process takes about a minute, and all you need to do is relax while the buds do their work. Lightform promises each individual to give the best fit possible, but you gotta let the buds do their work, cause otherwise it'll feel sloppy and uneven. But when it works, it'll result in a comfortable fit with a surprising amount of passive noise cancellation, making the $229 price tag somewhat justifiable. With the price tag and specs, we can say that the G Fits fits under the high-end category of earbuds, with good audio quality, decent battery life, and the star of the show, the Lightspeed and Lightform technology that ensures solid connection to your devices and to your ears. Logitech appears to be on a mission to change the game where people will think twice before calling earbuds a redundant means of communication when it comes to enjoying video games. This could very well be a revolutionary product, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Whatever the case is, do let us know your personal opinion on the buds, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.